What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this special video about CoinW, this exchange that right now is the best exchange to trade with during this altcoin season. And I'm gonna tell you exactly why, guys, especially if you're new in the crypto space or also if you are already a professional trader. I'm gonna give you an update here on CoinW, guys. This is one of the major exchanges that of course I'm also using. You can get the link to CoinW with the link in the video description. You can register to this great exchange, guys, and right now, since I believe that Ethereum will break into new all-time highs and that we're gonna see a monster altcoin season, I think that CoinW is the exchange where to trade at right now. Doesn't matter if you're trading on futures or on spot, you have here right now a great exchange where you can get some extra deposit bonus if you use my links, and of course also where you can trade with the highest liquidity, highest security, and of course they have also announced now a very big upgrade on their exchange as well that I want to introduce you guys, because that is very important to use those new tools that the CoinW is offering right now during this altcoin season in order to not freak out by searching thousands of coins through and look out for the best 100x gem out there, but in order to catch the good ones that also thanks to AI and the new tools that CoinW is offering to take advantage of. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel, guys. I update you every day whatever is going on here in the crypto space. Of course, even when I'm on vacation, when I'm traveling and so on, I'm updating you every day, guys, with the newest coins, and of course also what kind of trades that I'm taking. You're gonna find all important links here in the video description, and of course also if you want to be joining my other social media platforms over on X, TikTok, Telegram, and so on, you can find them all here in the video description, and of course also the link to CoinW, guys, because like that you can get some extra deposit bonuses. And you can see here that you have a fiat gateway thanks to CoinW, so you can buy peer-to-peer, you can buy on OTC desks, you can just buy with your card and so on. You can do futures trading, spot trading, copy trading. You can use also bots here if you want to run some trading bots. You have earn features where you can of course also invest and basically get passive income, and also they have their new Launch X platform as well. So there are many things going on right now here on CoinW, guys. They did a very big upgrade on their platform, and next to that they even partnered up with the legendary Pirlo that you can also see in different articles. So CoinW right now partnered up with Andrea Pirlo, which is of course a famous football player. This one over here, Andrea Pirlo, and this is now the also global ambassador of CoinW. So CoinW, in my opinion, will be one of the major exchanges in the future, guys, and I think that this one will be huge, and also thanks to their new upgrades right now, this is the place to trade right now. And I'm gonna introduce you right now what kind of important upgrades that they just did. You can also check them out, of course, in their big announcement area that CoinW is launching, basically also these futures trading upgrades that I'm gonna show you right now, guys, of course, and also their new GemW product introduction. GemW is a completely new thing, guys, that is needed during an altcoin season in order to spot those 100x potential coins to invest right now, at least during the altcoin season, not to hold for the long term necessarily, because I believe that those hidden gems and 1000x coins are maybe not here to hold for the long term, but at least to hold during an altcoin season to achieve those huge gains. And you know that I like to invest into new low market cap coins like the ones you find here in the video description. We have currently very hyped new coins like Bitcoin Hyper, Token 6900, Maxi Doge, and so on. You can check them out with the links in the video description, guys. But right now we have also a new way how to spot good hidden gems, and this is thanks to their new product that is offering right now CoinW. And before we're gonna start, guys, as always, everything is no financial advice in my videos. Everything is of course high risk here in the crypto space, but I just like to trade of course new hyped coins and also be trading on the best exchanges out there, in my opinion. So everything in these videos of course is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to entertain you and to show you and sharing with you whatever I'm buying and selling and trading since 2017 with you guys. And right now on CoinW, of course, we have a great chance to get on board into a massive new tool basically, and CoinW is anyway one of the biggest exchanges out there, and since I believe that right now the Bitcoin dominance, this is the Bitcoin dominance, guys, in comparison to the rest of the altcoins, and of course also to Ethereum, that we're gonna see in the next coming weeks and months much more downside here, and that means that we're gonna see a lot of altcoins mooning. And I told you guys that I think that the big altcoin season will start once Ethereum is breaking into new all-time highs, and Ethereum is really at the edge to break into new all-time highs. Also Bitcoin is of course in a clear uptrend, and Ethereum is still very much underrated, even though of course it is about to break into new all-time highs here. It's just a few hundreds of dollars away from it, and right now, as you can see, we have also this great buy opportunity, in my opinion, where Ethereum is coming down to test this new support here before it's leaving into new all-time highs and pushing harder to the upside. Of course, no financial advice, guys. This is just my own opinion, what I believe will happen next, and hopefully this video, once we're gonna watch it in a few days, weeks or months, hopefully it's aging well, because then of course Ethereum will be most likely much higher levels. And now, guys, very important for CoinW, their new platform and their new tool is called this GemW. So they have upgraded their website, their own exchange is upgraded now, and they are launching now different new tools here that you can of course check out here on their announcement page, and everything is basically visible here if you go to more. So first of all, you register to CoinW, then you go to more, because there you get to the new platforms, especially this DairyW, PropW and GemW as well. We also have the CoinW card, which is new, or the ChatGPT Trade AI as well, and so on. But we're going to focus here into the GemW because this is very important, of course, for this new era basically of trading those new low market cap coins that are launching basically on a daily base here. So very important, guys. CoinW is offering like an overall ecosystem upgrade right now, which is launching the new future trading grant ecosystem, which means that this is including 4 core sectors, which is this CoinW, GemW, DairyW and PropW that you can access here if you go to more. Then you can try that out, all of them. And CoinW has officially also completed a comprehensive upgrade of its platform architecture and business layout today, covering 4 core modules. So centralized and also decentralized trading is possible now, public chain infrastructure and institutional grade trading as well. This upgrade signifies that CoinW is officially ushering in the future trading area with a unified account system and strategy engine at its core, deeply integrating multiple assets, multiple scenarios and also multiple modes to build an integrated digital asset trading platform for global individuals and institutions as well, allowing users to achieve a full process experience of trading, management and value appreciation on same platform. So you have really basically an all-in-one platform here, and this is basically where you can also get here to let's say PropW, for example, or DairyW. So if you open up those links, then you will be forwarded here to those sites once it's of course going online here. Currently I cannot access it from the place that I'm traveling in right now. And also here Supernova Plus you can join, for example. So this is basically the DairyW is basically by CoinW, but a decentralized perpetual exchange as well. The other one here will be upcoming soon, or at least in my country here it's not accessible yet, maybe in yours yes. And the DairyW advantages you can see here as well. So basically here also we have different advantages from other centralized exchanges and also other decentralized exchanges. But we anyway gonna keep focus here, guys, on this new GemW feature, which is of course very important here to spot those potential 10x or 100x coins that in my opinion during this altcoin season are possible. Of course, no promises, guys, no financial advice, but thanks to this tool it's just easier to spot those hidden gems that we can invest in right now. And you know, catching a 100x gem in the crypto space is of course like catching some like to be very lucky. It is very difficult, of course, and you can scroll all through Twitter, Discord, Telegram and doing a lot of researches, which takes hours. And now thanks to this new tool, of course, this makes it much more easier to catch the good ones, because they have an integrated tool in GemW called Lens Sniper. This is very important here in this tool, guys, that makes of course searching for those hidden gems much better, more efficient and easier, of course. So trying to find the next pump before everyone else piles in is of course very hard, and basically you always gonna see those coins too late when already they pump thousands of percentages. And this is what makes of course then GemW very much worthy, because this should solve basically, or trying to solve that problem. So this is a completely brand new on-chain trading gateway from CoinW team. And here's also the twist. It's designed so you can spot and trade alpha assets and meme coins early without all the usual on-chain headaches as well. So for most people, of course, DEX trading is a mess, and now like people at the moment have to set up a wallet, write down a seed phrase, buy gas tokens, bridge funds and so on. And by the time you're already basically ready to trade, the opportunity is already gone when you see something. And GemW basically says forget about that, because with GemW you sign up with your email just like a normal app, like on CoinW for example, and you're ready to trade on-chain instantly. No wallet setup, no seed phrase stress, and you still get full access of course to the on-chain opportunities. And this is what GemW is basically. So an on-chain smart aggregated trading platform launched as part of the CoinW ecosystem, aiming to provide users with a simple, secure and also efficient on-chain asset trading experience. As a next generation decentralized trading gateway, GemW integrates core functions such as featured asset pages, call strategy, copy trading and smart trade execution to help users capture early stage alpha opportunities and grow their returns. So think of it as a hybrid, so the speed and convenience of a centralized exchange combined with the variety and freedom of a decentralized exchange. So it's not here to replace your MetaMask or Phantom wallet here, it's here to make it easier for you to actually use them without the friction. And it's not just about convenience. GemW's edge is how it helps you to find and play worth trading basically. And basically the highlight of GemW, what problem it's solving basically, is that here you don't need any gas tokens, so you don't have to pay any gas tokens, no wallet needed as well, and also there is a auto stop loss and take profit, which makes it of course also easier for newcomers to trade here. And the important thing is here this lens sniper model, because this is a systematic evaluation, AI rating system and also dynamic tracking system as well. And this is my favorite part here in general. So this is like the lens sniper system. It stands for liquidity, evolution, network and structure as well. Basically, it's GemW in-house evaluation model that constantly scans the market for tokens with breakout potential. And this is what makes, of course, the life easier whenever you're looking out for new hidden gems just before they're about to explode. So it doesn't just chase green candles when they already pumped like crazy and then it gives you those signals. It looks at liquidity flow, price action, social buzz, contract safety, and also the credibility of the team or deployer. And this is when a token ticks the right boxes, basically it shows up on the lens sniper page, meaning you are seeing the same kind of early signals that pro traders are watching out for, without all the research and hassle to do that yourself basically. And because it's all structured data, you're not relying on rumors in group chats, for example. So currently on the version 1, it's also going to have very soon an upgrade to version 2, this lens sniper. In September, GemW is adding one-click copy trading as well, and you will be able to see proven smart money wallets and top traders complete with win rates, PNL, trading history, and literally mirror their moves with one click only. It's like sitting next to a pro trader and copying their plays basically, but in real time, directly on chain. And there is also this new YouTuber battle campaign as well, guys, so that's why make sure to be joining it with the link in the video description, because GemW is launching its YouTuber battle campaign. So 6 YouTubers, including me, will be leading this battle as well, and there are 3 different ways to participate, so social impact, trading volume, and also team members. So make sure to be joining my team that you can see in the video description, because like that you can also additionally win some prizes if we win, and you can basically use also my referral code that you find here, and the link of course in the video description. And we're here for the crypto, guys. We're here to win, so let's win with this team of course, and let's hope that we're gonna win this YouTube battle. Of course would be great, in order also to basically manifest this great new tool that we have here with CoinW and GemW, guys. So that's why make sure to be joining right now and try out the new tools that CoinW is offering to you. You can use it of course completely for free. Links in the video description, and be part of it, guys. And with that said, I'm gonna wrap it up for now. CoinW, guys, they are have offering right now these new tools that we can use during this altcoin season. So take advantage of it, and of course use now CoinW for the next altcoin season that in my opinion is in front of us, guys. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned to keep you updated, of course, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.